How to color grade your videos in 6 minutes using CapCut. This is how my video looks like straight out from my camera, dull, flat, and honestly, it's not looking the way it's supposed to be. And this is the same video after just a few minutes of color grading. Can you see the difference? Color grading is what takes your video quality from a normal level to make it look professional, even if you film with an Android phone. Before we dive into the video, let me share quickly with you why you need to color grade your video. The first point is it fixes bad lighting. If your video is too light or is too dark, color grading is going to help you to balance it. The second point is it sets the mood for your video. In case you want a cinematic video, color grading is going to help you to achieve all that and makes your video stand out from other creators. Your video is going to look unique and professional. So without wasting much of your time, let's dive straight into the video.
So now the first thing is you are going to head over to your CapCut. Then you select the video you want to edit or color grade. So I'm going to be going with this video. After that, now I'm going to click on the video. Then you scroll down to where you are going to see adjust. You are going to click on adjust. Then once you come here, they are going to see color match, color correction, brightness, contrast, saturation. If you click on color match now, this color match now, in case you want to use another video's preset or another video's color on your video, you are going to use color match. Then we have color correction, but we're not going to be using that. I'm going to be going to brightness, but there's a whole lot of this preset. So let's start with the first one, is brightness. You click on brightness. Then now I'm going to keep my brightness to 2. You know what brightness did for your video is to make your video be bright. Then you click on contrast. I'm going to put my contrast on 8. Yeah, 8. I think 8 is good. Then you click on saturation. So this saturation is just to make your video color to be out. So I'm not going to increase it too much. Keep it on 2. Then now if you come to brilliance, I'm going to put it on 4. There you see sharpening. Sharpening is to make your video look very sharp. So you really want your video to be sharp. And yes, so now you make sure your sharpening is very high. It's very important. So I'm going to keep my sharpening on 25. Then you see this clarity. It may not be available for you if you are using free CapCut. But in case you don't have it, no problem. So I'm just going to keep my own on 10. 10 is okay. Now, next one, you see this HSL. This HSL, we are not going to use it for now. Let's first edit our video first before we are going to come back to it. So I'm going to come back later to show you how to use HSL. Now, we are going to go to highlight. We are not using color wheel. So we'll go to 5. -5 is okay for highlight. Then you see shadow. For shadow now, this shadow is just to make sure that your video is not looking blur. I'm going to put it on -5 or 4. See this thing, all these things just depend on your video. You see white, to make your video not to look so white. I don't want the video to look so white. So I think 14 is okay. 14 is okay, yes. Then you come to, okay, we are not doing black. Temperature, I'm going to keep it on 14. 14 is okay for the temperature of the video. I don't know, what do you think? So now if you come to fade, okay, if you look at fade, we're not going to be using all those ones. So now let's go to HSL. We are not using those the rest preset. If you look at my background, just take a look at my background. You can see my background is a little bit of, is a yellow background. There's a yellow paint. So I'm going to click on orange first. I'm going to click on orange because orange is similar to yellow. I'm going to keep it, I'm going to increase the HUE to 20. Then I'm going to increase the saturation to 15. Then I'm going to click the lightning, increase the lightning to about 21, 24. Okay, let me keep it on 24. Now if you click on yellow, now I want this HSL just to make the images or the objects in your background to come out. So now I want the paint in my background to come out very well. So now I'm going to increase this one. Okay, I've done saturation to 5. Then lightness, I'm going to increase it to 9. Okay, 7. Let me put it on 7. I think 7 is going to be better, so that I'm not going to look too shabby. So you can, I also like this blue. You can use the blue too. The blue too is always also important. So all these things is you just need to follow the exact thing I'm doing. all these things just for you to play around with the colors. Just play around with the color, because it all depends on your background. At the end of the day, it all depends on your background color. So now, after you have done this, in case you want to save it and so that you are going to use it for your other video, just click on adjust again, then you click on preset, then you see save as preset. So in this way you can use it for your other videos once you finish editing it.
So now with this, I believe you can now color grade your own video yourself. So if you want me to drop the preset, I want you to leave it in the comment section. And if I see a lot of engagement and interest, I'm going to drop the preset, or I'm going to make a video about that. So this is going to bring us to the end of this video. If you do find this video helpful, I want you to please subscribe to my YouTube channel, so that when I upload another video, YouTube is going to send you a notification instantly. And don't forget to share this video to everyone. Share it so that a lot of people are going to see this video. Thanks for watching. Till I see you in the next one. Peace out.